Yo, I'm Mnemonic. I finally am upgrading my light. I've had this in here for far too long, so we're going from this, good God, to this. And that's only at 70%. So I'm upgrading to the 100D, the Aputure Amaran 100D. And I'm very excited to check it out. Really cool stickers though, digging that. Apparently this light is brighter than their really fancy one that's like $700 or $800. And it's only like 250 bucks. So I had to do it. It's so cool. It's like a cannon of light. I also bought some other things. Of course, I need to attach it to something, and I need to attach something to it. I already unboxed it and set it up. This is by Knee-Word, but it's so cool. It's a waffle. Looks amazing. Oh, and one more thing. Ugh. This bag holds within it heavy stuff. Wrong side. This is a light boom pole, and this is the really big one. Do you see this? Look at that. This thing is thick, and it's stainless steel. No more talking. Time to get this set up. Whoa. I should not be doing this one-handed. Yeah, I think it's good. Let's take this waffle off. Woo! Yeah, that's a lot brighter. That is definitely a lot brighter. Links for everything are in the description. If you're a creator yourself and you need a solid video lighting setup, all of this was less than $400. The light that I've been rocking is like $40. The 100D is like the best thing you can find on the market. That's if you can find it, because it's like sold out basically everywhere. I bought that light like 3 years ago when I started my YouTube channel in an attic. And since then, things have obviously upgraded, and now I'm in a place where I can upgrade my entire lighting setup and it be justified. I'm really curious to see how I can light things. I'll test that later. I just wanted to get it set up and get my initial thoughts and excitement out of the way. So that's about it. Thanks for being here. Peace.